Hello, boys and girls. Well, today I have a really cool episode to show you guys. Um, if you remember last time, we did close, open, enter hold, exit hold, just little programs to help us with this thing. But I realized there's gonna be, if I'm gonna go explore the world, there's gonna be a lot of the times where I want to go all around this place, and I need the turtle to do specific things, and I don't think I could actually be programming every single thing that I wanted to do, or go to Lua and then tell the turtle to do this and that and that and that and that. So for this, I want to set up a little program that is probably going to be permanent on the turtle, and it's going to be called something like a manual control. So I can just like click on the turtle and just set up a bunch of commands with my keys, and then maybe hit enter and execute the commands. So I think that's a really cool idea, and it's pretty helpful if you want to do something. Now the turtle has 6 movements that it can do. It can go front, back, turn left, turn right, and go up and go down. So for those 6 movements we need like a key for each one of them. And then we also need a key for, oh, it's getting dark. Let me go sleep. We also need a key for maybe dig, but that will be actually another 3 keys, because the turtle can dig down, it can dig front, and it can dig up, as we saw with this thing. So we need another 3 keys for digging, and then the turtle can also place, so we need another keys for place down, place front, and place up. And then there's another command that we need also for the turtle to be able to select any blocks from here. So we have 16 slots here, at least in this version, and we need to be able to tell the turtle which block to select, so we can actually run commands like place and select and stuff like that. I mean, it sounds pretty cool, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to finish it in one program, in one episode, but let's give it a try. Now there is another ways to program this turtle, using like a Notepad++, or what I use, because I use Mac over here. So I use a program called Text Wrangler, which is pretty cool. You can actually set the language that you're coding and stuff like that. So if it goes too difficult, I will just go ahead and use that Text Wrangler, and then show you guys how to just save the files and stuff like that. But I think it will be more cool if we can actually program it inside the turtle. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna do a program called MC for manual control, and here we go. So first of all, I kind of want to have like a little menu going on here. So I need to know how is the width and the height of this thing. I could just go to their website and just see how many spaces I have here and how many lines I have here. Or I can do something like this: equals term get size, and then maybe just print W and then print H, and then run manual control. Easy. It tells me there's 39 and there's 13. So 39 over here, 13 over here. 39 by 13. Excellent. So let's quote this out. I already know it's 39 by 13. Actually, I could just add. It's 39 by 13. So that means that 13 is our last line. Alright, I guess we could start making like a little menu or something like that. So term dot clear, term dot set cursor POS 11, term dot right. And on this time, I'm just gonna go ahead and go there. That's 39. Kind of goes out of the block. Kind of don't like that, but it's okay. Let's try it out. Boom, exactly till 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10, 20, 30, 9. So that means whatever I write in this thing has to be that long. Definitely would love to have like the copy paste functions on this thing, but turn. And because I put those spaces over here, I can actually know when it's gonna be the last, the last space that I have here. So I have like a line out up there. First thing I want to know is, well, I don't need to know this, but I can just put like manual control. And since I'm gonna have more turtles later, very probably, maybe I want to have a way to know which turtle is which. So maybe I'm gonna put this and then add a little text over here, maybe the turtle data. And to add text to a string, you just put those 2 dots. That means like a plus, and then data is a variable that will store the text. So let's do data. It's equal to turtle. No. Apologize. OS get computer label. So remember in the first episode we labeled this turtle Miko, so it will say Miko, and then we're gonna add maybe a semicolon like that, and then add let's see the fuel level, right? Turtle get fuel level. There you go. So this variable data will hold the turtle name and the get fuel level. And it may work like this, or I may need to put like convert this thing to a string if it gives me a number or whatever. Let's try it out and see what it does. Boom, nice. So it tells me the turtle and tells me how much fuel it has. Excellent. And it lips the cursor there. It's okay. Alright, so next maybe we need to what can we do here? It clears the screen, sets the cursor position. Maybe we want to put that clear screen down here just to be able to have all together. And I'm sure this will be super long, so just bear with me. I know that we have like, I don't know, almost 8 minutes here. I guess the next thing that I want to have is just maybe a line out of there we go. Just a separation. And then I'm basing myself with this number up here, the 9, because I know it's 39. So this, having this text over here, these numbers, even though it's commented out, it helps me to know exactly like where can I position stuff. Alright. And that will give me excellent, you see? Now it looks more pretty. Maybe I want to put some more space, maybe yes, maybe no, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna leave this for something else, I don't know. So far so good. Alright, and then what else I want to have? Maybe I want to have at the end, I want to have like a command line that I will use. So maybe this blinking cursor, I want to have it down here and maybe have some information here. Since I'm going to be using the keys, maybe I want to know what keys I have, maybe how many comment, I don't know, something cool down there. So let's go edit it again and then go to set cursor and one, I guess, 12. Again, if we had a nice copy and paste command, I could just copy paste the line up there. But no. Okay, that will set the line right there. And now we could 1,13. One very important thing about programming is the actual, user interface program. That's like a whole art where you can design something that is going to be intuitive for users to work with. So it's just like a line over here with a little code, and that will be at the end. Hopefully we are right in there. Yeah, 19. Let's see, I made a mistake of 19. I like that they're showing us the line numbers because the last version didn't have it. Oh, I put a dot there instead of a comma. Apologies for that one. There we go. Now it looks more like a nice control panel or something. And obviously the program ends, so it gives me that little plus sign or whatever it is. Alright, so next thing we need to do, I guess it's maybe I want to have a list of the stuff that I want to do first. So I'm gonna put it in the top part, way up here. A block comment. This Lua works this way. If you just put this 2 right here, it will block out or comment out everything that is in the middle. If you do this, it doesn't matter. As soon as it sees this 2, it will start blocking out everything. And if you do this, a lot of people that uses Lua constantly, they like to do this because if you just put one more over here, then it will block out this line, and this line is already blocked. So so you can actually run and unrun the code there. I'll show you guys later, maybe another episode. Okay, what I want to do, all this stuff is it's not part of a program. It's just for like a reference help or whatever. So I'm gonna put the keys that I want to use. So I want to use W. I'm gonna use probably W to move the turtle forward, and I'm gonna call that FD, and then A. So that will be like left turn, and then D, and that will be like right turn. Let's see if we can use actually tabs. Ugh, tabs doesn't work. Sorry for that. So we have those basic movements there, and then S will be back. So using the same keys that I use for Minecraft to move my player, then I can maybe send comments to the turtle and move them. But the turtle has 2 more movements up and down, so I guess I'm just gonna use Q, which is right next to W, for down, and I'm gonna call it DN. And you guys are gonna see later why I'm calling it like this. If you guys have used the Go program from the turtle itself, it uses some of this codes, but then we're gonna be adding our special ones, so look forward for that. And then E, which is on the other side of the turtle, and then we're gonna call that up. This is very convenient too. Then here's the tricky part. We have digs and places, so we're gonna use maybe right next to E and D we have R and then F and C. So R, F, C are gonna be used to, what do I do more, dig or place? I think I do more digging. So R is gonna be dig up, and F is gonna be dig, and C is gonna be dig down. What do you guys think? Are you guys liking it so far? I mean, this is really important of programming, the visualization of the whole concept. Some people does like workflows or flowcharts or whatever you call that. So let's say dig up, just dig down, and then I guess after that we have T, G, and V. So we're gonna do place up, place, and place down. Apparently this is all we need so far. PD. But oh, okay, we still have to be able to select this thing. So I need something, and I need to figure out how I'm gonna do it. So what I was thinking to do, it's maybe having a command that activates another routine. I know what the hell I'm talking about. I'm gonna use X to select slot. So whenever I click X, which is right under S, it's gonna allow me to input numbers, and then based on the numbers that I input, it's gonna either select this or cancel my selection. And yeah, I guess that could be it for now. So what I'm gonna do is not just to have the turtle move when I press this, but it's gonna have a list that I can modify, and then I can run it with enter. So first things first, I really need to know what commands I am getting. So all those W's and whatever they are, I want to see them as I'm pressing them. So I need something like a little status bar, because I don't want to be typing like turtle term, like all this set cursor position and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do a function called like I don't know, status, or let's do king and a message. And this function is going to do a term set cursor POS 113 term clear line term write, and it's going to write my little command line thingy. I think it was something like this, and then the message. So every time I call the function like king hello, it should, yeah, there you go, it should type hello there. So that way I can just keep on, oh man, I don't have a scroll. I could just keep on sending a message to that function, and it's gonna keep on printing in the same spot. Nice. Alright, I'm just gonna leave that there. Next, I need to have a way for this thing to maybe to keep printing that number there, the keys on there, because we need the keys. So it could be chars or it could be a key. Let's just go ahead. While true do, and this is gonna keep repeating this until I don't know, until I break it, actually, until I send a command to break this. So okay, so my idea is to keep doing this until I'm done, or I press enter and then it breaks this, and then it goes and executes the commands that I did. So okay, we're gonna use this it's too much text there. Event argument is equal to OS pull event could it be? I'm just gonna leave it like that. So let's make it event param. I guess let's just do it like that. It's gonna be an event and a parameter, which is the same thing. I mean, you can put X and Y in there, whatever you want. So it's gonna pull up an event, whatever it is, and is whatever it comes in it. We're gonna send it to keying. And let's put maybe some space there. Event, semicolon, param1. There you go. Let's see what that does. Whoa. 52. Maybe another comma for a dot or something. 52. Local event equals pool. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Event. There we go. So when I press these keys, you can see they're coming out pretty good there. What if I press like enter? It gives me another event type called key, and the value is 28. And these are character events. I believe that when you press a key, it throws up two events. One is a key event, and then the other one is a char event. If it's a char, it will throw the char event out, and if it's a key, it will throw the key event out only. So if it's a char, it will throw a key event first with the number, and then the char event with the same every single time you press it. So every press that I do right here, it throws out two events. Alright, terminate. And let's go back into it. Alright, I don't want to be terminating the program, so I guess the first thing that I need to do, it's a way to terminate it. And here comes the fun part. If event is equal to key, then, and then this part is going to be like super long in there, maybe all the events and stuff like that. I'm going to put the enter here, I'm going to put the escape here or something. So if param1 is equal to, oh yeah, I don't know which one it is. Save exit. So I want the number, the little tilt, whatever thing it is next to the 1 on top of the tab to be the exit. So it's kind of like an escape, but if I hit escape, obviously I'm gonna exit this thing. So I want to have it like on that same feeling. So I'm gonna press that button, and I see that it's the key 0. So 1 is actually character 1, character 2, character 3, but that one is the key 0. Okay. Cool beans. Let's stop that. Go in there, go all the way down. And here you go. If param1 is equal to 0, then break. And this is gonna break this while, so it's gonna exit the function. Let's see if this works. I press other keys, yes, and I press that 4, 3, 2, 1, and then boom, I'm free. Excellent. So I did a way to exit already. Now I need what other one? I need enter. Enter is key 28, and my idea is to press these buttons like WS and whatever, and start having a list here of the comments, and the list should go down here and then just fill this box over here. It's gonna be a lot of comments over here.
It's 6 o'clock.
And I want to be able to, it's 6 o'clock, sorry for that, and I want to be able to delete some of them. So I'm going to use backspace, and that's key 14. So we got 14 and 28. Excellent. So we need to add there the key 14 for backspace and the key 28 for enter. And it's already 25 minutes for this video. It's pretty long. I don't know if I should just continue on the next one or just try to finish it. I mean, I'm sorry for all the people that just want to see me getting hit by monsters, but I think the programming is pretty cool, and I want you guys to kind of learn, and so you guys can be able to do your own cool programs. So 14 was the backspace. Actually, I'm just gonna just put a little annotation here of what it is that we're pressing. So this one is that symbol over there, and this one would be backspace. And when backspace happens, I want to remove an item from the list, and then if param1 is equal to 28, which is enter, then I want the thing to go ahead and execute comments. How's that? Excellent. Alright, so now we want to have the other event. This one was for key, and this goes right there. So we have those 3 keys, and now we're going to have that other event. If event is equal to char, then now we're going to check those chars. To W, right? Then, and this one is gonna start to add a list of parameters that we're gonna send in a list. So this one is gonna add forward, right? For this, we're gonna have to set up a table, and I guess I'm just gonna cut it right now because it's close to 30 minutes. But on the next episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the table and how to start saving those comments to the execute program. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it for now right there. I know it's pretty boring just programming, but I guess next time we can proceed with more fun stuff, maybe be done with the program and test it out. Alright, see you guys later, bye bye.